guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to insert multiple rows in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we've done a tutorial before where we had to insert multiple rows. Now, we're going to focus on this one since it's one of the easier videos that people tend to skip over. Now, for the people that needed this tutorial, right after we've done multiple videos about inserting multiple rows, then here we go. First, I'd like to show you when we insert a single row, all we have to do is click on any cell we have on our spreadsheet, right-click, click on Insert, and click on the entire row. Once we've done that, we are able to include one row within our spreadsheet. Well, let's undo that for a bit, because right now we're trying to add multiple rows. To do so, all we have to do is select multiple rows over here. Let's say 5. Once you've done that, the whole row should be highlighted over here. Just click on right-click, insert, and voila. Now, Excel didn't give us a prompt, but now they automatically just added multiple rows just like that without any prompts whatsoever. And there we have it. This is how we insert multiple rows in Microsoft Excel.